How to create new Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now tap on create new account. You can either sign up with your mobile number or your email instead. Now tap on sign up with email address. Now enter your email address and tap on next. Now open up your Gmail account. Refresh your account. Open up the mail and copy the code. Now go back to your Instagram application and paste the code there and tap on next. Now enter your password and tap on next. Now set your date of birth, tap on set and next. Now enter your name and tap on next. You can create a new username and tap on next. Tap on I agree. So by following this simple step, you can create a new Instagram account. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.